In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create your Gumroad account and publish your first digital product using the help of ChatGPT. Now, with that said, let's get right into it, right? So you want to head over to gumroad.com. The link will be in the description of this video. Now once you're on Gumroad, you're going to select Start Selling. Select Start Selling again to continue, and you can choose to sign up with Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Stripe. Or you can scroll down and provide your email address and password. See, I'm just going to select Google to continue. So here I just need to provide an authentication token that was sent to my email address. So once you provide the token, just select login, and that's it. That's all you need to create your account. Now, what we're going to do next is adding a bank account. Essential, right? So you're going to go to Payouts, then select Settings, and then you're going to select where you're located, right? And then you select Save. So you need to provide your bank code, your branch code, your account number, and confirm your account number. This information will vary depending on the country you select. You can use bank code finder to find all the relevant information for your bank, and then you simply provide your address and then update settings, right? And that will take care of your payouts. Now, next step, we're going to be creating a digital product. So you're going to select products, select new, provide the name of your product, right? So right now we don't have any product idea. So let's go over to ChatGPT to get started. So here I'm just going to say 5 digital products idea for Gumroad that can be created in a Word doc, right? So I just want to keep it simple for now. You can always create even an ebook and upload it, right? So I'm just gonna submit that prompt. So it gave me 5 digital products, but these are actually 5 categories. So it gave me ebook, printable planners and worksheet, right? Printable journal prompts, course artwork material template. So I'm going to be using this one here, course artwork material template. So I'm just going to say create a detailed course outline template for a making money online course. So this is my prompt. I'm just going to enter it. So basically, looking at this outline, this is something that I don't even really need to make any modifications to. It's very detailed, all the way down to a module 9, which is a bonus module. Now all you literally need to do from here is copy all the information, open your Word document. Now let's look at the format in the Word document, and you just need to save it as PDF or as Word doc, right? You can actually save it as both and upload it. So I'm just going to browse. So I'm just going to save this as Make Money Online template, right? I'm just going to save it as a Word doc because it needs to be modifiable, right? Now all you need to do now is go over back to Gumroad. So the name of this product is Make Money Online Course Outline. Here you're going to select your product type. So it's a digital product. Then select Next to Customize. Here you can choose your currency and price. So let's say $10. Scroll up and then select Next to Customization. Here you need to provide a description, right? So let's go back to ChatGPT. So I'm just going to say provide a short description for this template. So you can read that, right? I'm just going to copy this, paste it here, and that's my description. Then scroll down. Now you need a cover and a thumbnail, right? So I'm just going to copy this here, the 6x600, and say create an image. Alright, so I actually need to log in before it can actually generate the image. So let's log in. So here I'm just going to say create an image in 6x6 pixel for Making Money Online course outline. Now you can also use Canva for your design, right? But this is pretty fine to me. I'm going to open it. For this, I'm using paint.net. And I'm going to save the image as a JPEG so it can be uploaded to Gumroad. Okay. So let's select upload, select the image. Now we can do the same for a banner. So I'm just going to copy this dimension here. I'm just going to say to ChatGPT, create one in, and specify the dimension. So it's basically using the information that I provided previously to generate the next one. Let's download. We're now going to convert it again to JPEG. Now let's go over back to Gumroad, upload from computer, and here is a preview of what it will look like on Gumroad when you search for it. Now the next step is for you to upload the content. So here you're going to select this little icon that says upload files. Upload from computer, save changes, and then publish and continue. And that's literally it. So here they have an option to boost your product's visibility in Gumroad recommendation by setting a percentage, right? But I'm going to leave that option for now. And I'm just going to save changes. You can select preview to see what it looks like on the website. So when somebody select I want this, it will take them to the page where they make the purchase. Now it may take a little while for it to appear in Gumroad's search engine, right? But that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.